IOTtech Software brings technologies of IoT to control wirelessly through mobile, voice control, Alexa, Google Assistant. We help you to control fan with multi-speed options according to humidity and temperature. You will have option to schedule switch on, off or set the parameters of humidity and temperature to control the speed or switch on, off. You can let fan to decide speed of the fan, which uses intelligent speed auto control technology, ISAT, according to temperature, humidity and comfort level of user. We welcome you for technological collaboration. Please contact IOTtech Softwares.